Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off roaming assistance to automatically add the right country or region code on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On your home screen, tap on the phone application. Next, tap on the option key from the pop-up menu, select settings. In settings, go down and tap on other code settings. In other code settings, go down and tap on roaming assistance. Now you can tap on the toggle button here to switch it on or off. So here tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can select automatically add country or region code when calling contacts you have called before, or always add code of country or region you are located in, or ask for each call. So select one of the options, and finally you can tap on the back key to go back to the phone app, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.